Before we start this video, please take note of the link in the description box below. It contains resources and donation links to support the Black Lives Matter movement, especially given the international conversations surrounding the Black Lives Matter movement as well as the recent events in the United States specifically. It is imperative that all of us non-Black individuals do our part to support the movement and to ensure that we are, in whatever way we are able to, address the systemic racism from which many of us have benefited. I understand that not everyone is able to give money, but there are still plenty of other ways to support the movement, so please take a look at that Google Doc link. You don't have to have a Google account to access it, and do what you can. We all need to be educated during these times and always. Hello friends, happy June. Oh boy, I don't really know what to say about this month. I know this video is late, I apologize. Due to recent world events, I've been very busy at my job covering the recent world events, and I haven't really had time to set up my bullet journal, so I kept it really simple. Like, this video is so short because it's so simple. I created these stickers myself because I knew that I wasn't gonna have time to letter or do anything really cool and elaborate. So that's where all these stickers are from. They're my handwriting. I printed them out myself. I designed them myself. Yeah, I think spending money on a Cricut Explore Air 2 was the best choice I've ever made. So that's that, but I just wanted to make a video anyway because I miss y'all, and I know that I keep promising I'll make more videos, but you know, life. But I've missed y'all, and so I wanted to at least do this video. So hi, how are you? How's it going? I don't really know how to segue away from world events into my personal life, but I'm gonna try because I've been told that people like this aspect of my bullet journal videos, so here I am. Let's see what happened. So I went to the beach for the first time yesterday, which was a Saturday, and it was really nice. And I did not get sunburned, which is a miracle because I always get sunburned the first beach trip of the year. And we had a fantastic time just like running around in the ocean and seashell hunting, and it was really fun. Grad school, still plugging away. I am taking a screenwriting class this mini semester. I don't know, it's 8 weeks, which is all my semesters, so I guess it's a semester. I don't know. Quarter? Are they quarters if they're 8 weeks? Does it like change based on the school you go to? Can someone tell me? Because I don't know how this works, but I digress. My screenwriting class has become surprisingly enjoyable. It's a class of all men, which is a little telling about the film industry, I guess, but it's also kind of fun because I enjoy like reading other perspectives, and also because most of these guys really like action films, which is my preferred genre, so that's been fun to like get different takes on it. Oh yeah, I decided to do a month at a glance calendar, even though I don't normally do one, just because I keep forgetting what day it is. And last month I kept referring to my bullet journal and thinking that one of the days of the week was on a different day of the week, and it just wasn't working. So I want to do like a little something I can just pop open and check on and then just keep going. Hence the reason for the calendar at a glance. This coming week, I'm recording this and posting this on Sunday, June 7th, and on the 11th, my sister will have officially graduated college with a Bachelor of Science in Interior Design, and I'm very proud of her, and I bought her a giant coffee cup to celebrate. It's like 48 ounces, and she doesn't even drink coffee, so she'll fill it with Diet Coke, and it'll be hilarious. This page, I just decided to do like just a crappy little square with my Crayola Super Tip markers, just to have like a free space goals type page, 2-page spread thing. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but you get what I mean. I decided to go with really summery colors for this spread. I wanted pinks and greens and yellows and pinks and more yellow because I love yellow. I decided to do a watermelon because I miscentered free space. I love summer, I love the weather, I freaking love the beach, baby. Like, I'm just so excited. So that's the reason for that, but I digress. I have one big goal for this month, and that's to finally finish my novel draft. I have been editing it for forever. I've been recording all of the editing adventures, and that will be like a big composite video kind of tracking my progress, and that will go up whenever it is that I finally finish this. But I also have grad school and I also have work, and so we'll have to see how well that goes, but my dream is to have the edits done by the 12th, which is Friday. We shall see. My computer is spazzing out. Can y'all hear it wheezing? Why is it doing that? Oh well, anyway. I'm getting so off track. I apologize. This is my goals page because I do have some goals for this month that I don't want to forget about. Most of them pertaining to novel writing. If I can remember what they are, because of course I don't have my bullet journal next to me on my desk. Why would I? But I'll try to read them off as I write them down. Also, this will probably be the last video you see in this bullet journal because I've been cranking through the pages really fast, so you might have like a extra bullet journal setup video to look forward to. So if you have any ideas for those spreads or that setup, please let me know. My first goal for the month is June 12th to finish my draft of my novel. It's called TCM, that's the like acronym abbreviation thing. By June 20th, what is this even? I don't know what that says, WWPC? I have no idea what that is. That's not good. Oh yes, that's my sticker shop I've been thinking about opening. Wayward's Paper Company. Sorry, I don't know why I forgot that. Then I have some like very, very vague, foggy goals on the right side. I want to, get back to making YouTube videos. I want to start planning like cool editorial photo shoots, that sort of stuff. Sorry, I don't know why I feel so silly for like goofing that name, but oh well. And then we go into my week at a glances. Every single week has Sunday through Saturday. Sorry, I think the week starts on Sunday, not Monday. I know people disagree, but I just can't like change my brain. I don't know why. And I just laid that out, and then I'm gonna have like my to-do lists underneath each day. I tend to treat any sort of like week at a glance spread as just like a glorified to-do list. So laying it out this way is the most efficient way for me. Also, look at my handwriting. It looks so good on a sticker. Like, yes, I used to have the most atrocious handwriting. Y'all don't even know. So this is kind of nice to see like good handwriting in a sticker. Although, fun fact, I did misspell Wednesday the first time I made the stickers. There are not two N's in the word Wednesday, and I am a fool. Please roast me for that in the comments. But I digress. Pertaining to my sticker shop, I was thinking about selling stickers. I don't know if I will yet or not. I kind of would like to, because it'd be fun to make like bullet journal sticker sheets like this. If you'd like to check out what will become my shop, you can follow at Wayward's Paper Company on Instagram. I'll leave it in the description down below if you want to check it out. And then I'm just numbering all the days underneath the letters because I write loopy Y, so there's a little alcove for all of the days of the month, so I don't forget what day it is, because that happens constantly. It's not a good look for me, and yet here we are. I don't really know what else to say. Thank you for watching. I'm thinking of y'all all the time. I don't know who you are or where you are in the world, but this year has been insane, and I know we will get through it, but I am constantly thinking of and praying for y'all. Y'all are like my friends, my family, and I miss you. Thank you for watching this slightly lo-fi video because I broke my ring light and so had to make like a really bad setup. But I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. I love y'all very much, especially now more than ever. Please be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, and I'll see you soon. Bye.